everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Shiitake no cheese fry. It's bite-sized Shiitake fries flavored with Parmesan cheese. My son is not a big fan of Shiitake or any mushroom in general, but he can't stop eating this. That explains how good this is. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Shiitake no cheese fry, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Shiitake mushroom. I'm doing 10 or so today. Panko breadcrumb, about 2 cups. Grated Parmesan cheese, as much as you like. I'm doing 5 tablespoons or so. Half a cup all-purpose flour and some black pepper. Let's cut shiitake into bite-sized pieces. Stem off. Stem of shiitake mushroom is very stringy and chewy, so I normally don't use it. Then cut into 4 pieces. Now, I'm going to bread them, so let's make some batter. Half a cup flour and half a cup of water. Mix it well. And the batter is ready. Put shiitake. And mix. Make sure the shiitake is coated with the batter inside out. Like this. Now, let's bread them. All breaded, and it's time to fry. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of leftover butter into the oil. If the butter hits the bottom of the frying pan and comes up immediately, that's the right temperature. So let's put them one by one. And fry them for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Nicely brown, so let's drain. When you drain it face down. Not this way, this way. All fried, nice and crispy. Let's put them all in this large bowl. Grated Parmesan cheese, some salt to taste, black pepper as much as you like, mix it well. And Shiitake no cheese fry, it's ready to go. Let's try one. stop eating it. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Shiitake no cheese fry is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh our palate for the other side. How about bacon and spinach wafu pasta here? It's pasta, but it's carbs, so it goes here, and it also covers the main. Any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.